Welcome to the Autoverse, your trusted channel for exploring iconic vehicles from the past and present. Today, we take a nostalgic ride back to the 1973 Cadillac Coupe DeVille, a symbol of luxury, style, and American automotive excellence. The 1973 Cadillac Coupe DeVille stood as a pinnacle of automotive opulence in its time. Under the hood, it was powered by a massive 7.7-liter, 472 cubic inches V8 engine that delivered 220 horsepower and 365 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 3-speed turbo-hydromatic automatic transmission. The car offered a smooth and effortless driving experience, embodying Cadillac's focus on comfort and performance. Its powertrain, although not focused on speed, was well-suited for a relaxed cruising experience, emphasizing grandeur over aggression. The exterior of the Coupe DeVille exudes timeless elegance. Measuring over 19 feet in length, this car had a commanding presence on the road. Its sculpted body lines, prominent chrome grille, and bold Cadillac crest reflected the brand's commitment to luxury. For 1973, the design was slightly revised with energy-absorbing front bumpers to comply with new federal safety regulations, giving the car a more robust appearance. The sleek two-door coupe configuration and wide range of available color options further cemented its status as a statement car. Inside, the Cadillac Coupe DeVille was nothing short of a luxury lounge on wheels. The plush interiors featured premium leather or Valor upholstery complemented by wood grain accents and thick carpeting. The spacious cabin comfortably accommodated 6 passengers, offering ample legroom and headroom. A standout feature was the full array of power accessories, including windows, locks, and seats, along with climate control and an AM radio, which were considered advanced for the era. The car's ride quality was further enhanced by Cadillac's sophisticated suspension system, providing a floating-on-air feel. In today's collector market, the 1973 Cadillac Coupe DeVille holds significant appeal. Prices for well-maintained examples range from $15,000 to $30,000, depending on the condition, originality, and mileage. Restored models with factory options tend to command higher prices, as they capture the authentic essence of 1970s luxury motoring. The 1973 Cadillac Coupe DeVille remains an enduring icon, representing an era when size, style, and comfort reigned supreme. Thank you for tuning in to the Autoverse. Subscribe for more deep dives into automotive legends and stay with us as we explore the stories behind the most captivating vehicles ever built.
Perfect.